Discover Amalfi's hidden pottery paradise. Discover the secret behind Amalfi's stunning ceramics as you immerse yourself in a world where vibrant colors and intricate patterns come to life. Each piece tells a story, capturing the essence of the breathtaking Amalfi Coast's natural beauty. Welcome to CERCAMICA Amalfi, a place where tradition seamlessly blends with artistry. Here, you can witness the timeless elegance of Italian pottery, crafted with passion and precision, as it has been for centuries, creating timeless masterpieces. The rich heritage of Italian pottery in Amalfi is steeped in history, dating back generations. Each ceramic piece reflects a legacy of craftsmanship, with techniques and styles passed down through the ages, preserving the region's artistic identity and cultural pride. Nestled in the heart of the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, CERCAMICA offers an idyllic setting for exploring the region's ceramic artistry. Surrounded by stunning sea views and lush landscapes, this location provides an inspiring backdrop for creativity and craftsmanship. See master artisans shape beauty from clay with skillful hands and keen eyes. Every creation is a testament to their dedication, transforming raw materials into exquisite works of art that capture both the imagination and the spirit of Amalfi. At CERCAMICA Amalfi, each ceramic piece tells a story through its intricate patterns. Inspired by the vibrant coastal landscapes, our designs capture the essence of the sea, sky, and land, reflecting the breathtaking beauty that surrounds us. Our ceramics are crafted from the finest materials, ensuring durability and a luxurious finish. Every piece is a testament to our commitment to quality, using only the best clay and glazes that enhance the natural beauty of our designs. Step into our studio and watch as skilled artisans breathe life into clay. Their hands move with precision and care, shaping raw materials into stunning works of art, a mesmerizing process that highlights the passion poured into every creation. Join us for hands-on pottery workshops that cater to all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, these classes provide a unique opportunity to learn traditional techniques and create your own masterpiece under expert guidance. Experience the vibrant energy of CERCAMICA with our exclusive studio tours. Guided by knowledgeable staff, you'll explore the creative spaces where art takes form, gaining a deeper appreciation for the meticulous craftsmanship and dedication behind each beautiful piece. In Italy, pottery is more than just art. It's a vibrant expression of cultural heritage. Each piece tells a story, reflecting traditions that have been cherished for centuries. Pottery embodies a deep connection to history and the soul of Italian life. The picturesque Amalfi lifestyle is a significant influence on our designs, infusing each piece with elements of the sea and sun. This coastal inspiration breathes life into the ceramics, making them unique reflections of Amalfi's breathtaking natural beauty. Our featured artists are the heart of CERCAMICA, each bringing their unique flair to their creations. They blend traditional methods with innovative ideas, ensuring each masterpiece is a celebration of both heritage and individual talent, captivating art lovers worldwide. For those seeking something personal, our custom creations offer a unique opportunity. Collaborate with our artisans to design pottery that captures your personal story, making it a cherished keepsake. Each piece is crafted with care, reflecting your unique journey. We are committed to sustainability, ensuring our practices are as eco-friendly as possible. From sourcing materials to the crafting process, every step is taken with the environment in mind. Our dedication to sustainability helps preserve the beauty of our cherished surroundings. Visitors rave about their experience at CERCAMICA, with many praising the blend of tradition and innovation. Each handcrafted piece is a testament to the skill and passion of our artisans, leaving customers with cherished memories and stunning ceramic treasures. Our gift shop is a treasure trove of handcrafted delights, where visitors can find the perfect Amalfi keepsake. Each item embodies the essence of Italian artistry, making it a meaningful souvenir that captures the spirit of the Amalfi Coast. Can't visit Amalfi? Our online store brings authentic Italian ceramics to your doorstep. Shop our exquisite collections and discover the beauty of CERCAMICA from anywhere in the world, ensuring you don't miss out on our unique creations. Join us for special events celebrating the richness of Italian artistry. From exhibitions to workshops, each event offers a deeper understanding of our craft, creating memorable experiences that highlight the vibrant culture and creativity of the Amalfi region. CERCAMICA plays an active role in the local community, engaging in initiatives that support artisans and preserve cultural heritage. By fostering strong community ties, we ensure our craft remains a vibrant, integral part of Amalfi's cultural landscape for generations. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of CERCAMICA, where the vibrant spirit of Amalfi comes alive through exquisite ceramics. Each piece is a testament to generations of artistry, inviting you to experience the allure of Italian craftsmanship firsthand. Subscribe now to explore the rich tapestry of Italian culture and discover the timeless beauty of handcrafted pottery. Stay connected with CERCAMICA for exclusive insights, offers, and stories that celebrate the heart and soul of Amalfi artistry.